In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a character fly in Scratch. Keep watching till the end to see a flying cat. Welcome to DabMC. If you are new to this channel, I post regular videos of Minecraft, Scratch programming, and gaming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Today we're going to be making a cat flying. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is you want to grab a flying cat or any object. I'm going to grab a flying cat. And after that, I'm also going to make a background. So what I'm going to do here is I'm simply going to use not the fill tool, the square tool. I'm going to make a blue sky. And then I'm going to say no to that. And I'm just going to make it like this. There we go. And then I'm going to make one that's green for the grass. And this time I'm going to make it a little darker. There we go, that's good. And then I'm just going to make it like that. And there we go, we have our background. Now what you want to do is you want to grab an object, but I'm going to do a building because, yes, I want to. And then actually, I'm going to go back to the backdrops, and then I'm going to say, I want to make this lower, like that actually, probably a little bit bigger, like that, and then this, like that. There we go. And I'm going to put this deeper. I'm actually going to make it size to 75. Make it a bit smaller because it's huge. And then after that, we need to start coding. Yay! So what we want to do is we want to say when green flag clicked, forever loop. Then we want to say go to X 280 and negative 17. So then that way, oh wait, actually that's my mistake. So we want to say this. Then we want to say next costume. And then after we say that, we want to go to get a repeat block, repeat 100 times. Then we need to say then we need to go here and we need to say change X by -5 and boom, you have a character flying. As you can see, it looks like it's flying. It doesn't currently, but it will, because it looks like that it's going forward and the buildings are going backward and they keep changing and changing and changing. If you learn something new from this, type ILN in the comment section below. And if you do, I would really appreciate it. Next, now that we've made the character flying, why don't we make it more interactive? So then we just say when green flag clicked, forever loop, if green flag clicked, then we want to say key up arrow. And then after that, all we have to say is simple. Change Y by 10. And we want to just duplicate it down, -10. And then there you go. Now you can make a character fly. Whee! Hooray! And now our character can fly. And to make it even better, I'm going to make it even more interesting by adding clouds and other stuff. Okay, so I'm done with my background, and now if we full screen quickly, as you can see, we can now move up and down. And I also added 2 birds cause like, why not? And a rainbow and some clouds. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Saying this, bye guys.